We're so excited to be able to give attention to self-published women authors with Atlantis University here in Miami, Florida.
But I also wanted to teach people or remind people how much we can do to change an animal's life. And I also, would like to promote shelter adoption.
What inspired the message in my book were my experiences in the classroom as a teacher.
Well, we thought it would be a great idea to be able to have great consumer interactions and just for them to be able to try on our technology and our products.
I am really excited to be here. I'm excited about the panel discussion later and to be able to empower and assist other authors who are interested in writing and publishing their own book as well.
I love partnering with Flourish. They have been really amazing, very excited about this particular event for Publisher, and also looking forward to their next event as well.
This is a phenomenal event that you are highlighting authors and people who actually have done the work and produced the work. Writing a book is not easy.
Self-published women authors need the opportunity to connect with their audiences in real time, in real life.